Hello students, good morning to all. So today we'll continue lesson 2 formulas and functions in Microsoft Excel. So in the last class we discussed about the relative reference, absolute reference and mixed reference, and today we'll study about the sheet reference. Okay. So huh. So we can also use the cell reference of one worksheet into the another worksheet. So cell reference means the address of one worksheet into the another worksheet. That is called the sheet reference. This can be done in two ways. First, using the copy paste option, and second, using sheet reference. So see how you, with the help of the using copy paste options, we can use the uh, a reference of one sheet to the another sheet. First of all, we have to click on the sheet 2 tab and enter the data as shown in the figure. So let me open it and we'll enter some data and then I'll show you. Okay. So let me minimize it. Okay, now this sheet is open. Now here we will enter some. Here we make a three column: month, salary and total salary. Okay, so first this is month, uh, second salary, and after that total salary. Okay, so let me. Okay, let me make this red color, or let me maximize it. Okay, now month we start January. Salary is 20,000. Next February, salary is 35,000. Next March, salary is 25,000. Next April, salary is 27,000. After April, May, salary 46,000. After May, June, salary is 32,000. Okay. So in this sheet we have made three column. One first column is the month, second is salary, third column is total salary, and this is on the sheet 1. Okay, now we have to click on the sheet 1 tab, that is the sheet 1 tab. Now we click on the cell B8. Which cell? B8, where the sum function is used. Now here we use the sum function. So what we write? Equals to and sum function. See, sum function. So in the sum function we use the range of the values to find its total. We copy the formula using Ctrl plus C on the another sheet and paste the formula using Ctrl plus V. Now Sum here we have taken. So first number you can take from your range, this one. After that a comma. Second number you have to take this range. Put a colon for the range B2 to B7. Now press enter key. This is the formula we have used from B2 to B7. It will add all this value. Press enter key. Now you see we got the 18 lakh 50,000, 1 lakh 85,000. This is the total salary you got. This is the total. This is what? Total. Total 1 lakh 85,000. Now we copy this formula. Make a right click. You'll get the option C copy. Copied. Now we click on the sheet 2 tab, new sheet, and we paste the formula. We click on the sheet 2 tab and click on the cell B8 and paste the formula. Cell B8, see here. This is the cell B8. Let me maximize it. Now here I'll paste the formula. Zero. No value is there. So in order to use this value, we have to some data should be there now. So let me copy the data also from the sheet 1. Let me copy this data. Paste it. Now here we paste it. Now see, automatically the sum is changed. Automatically the sum is changed. Let me again delete this. Now again, let me copy and paste the formula. Copy it. Yes, copied. Now move on sheet 2. Now here I am going to change some values. Suppose on the place of salary is 20,000, I'm going to make 15,000. This value I change. Now on the place of 27,000, I'll make it 20,000. Okay. Now here I will paste the formula Control plus V. Again, let me copy the formula first. Copied. On sheet 2, paste. Control plus V. Now see, I have pasted the formula. Now here the sum I got 1,73,000. Okay. This is how we have to do. Okay. Another thing is the sheet reference. So in the sheet reference, it uses the sheet number, exclamation mark, and cell address. In sheet reference, it uses the sheet number, exclamation mark, cell address. For example, sheet exclamation mark D2. Like that you can use. Let me show you here how we write uh, sheet, and after that you have to write the exclamation mark, sheet exclamation mark D2, like this. This is the sheet reference. So sheet reference uses the sheet number, like sheet 1, exclamation mark, and cell address. So let us take the example. So we first of all we click on the cell C2 of the sheet 2. So cell C2, where is C2? Here. So let me first just delete it. Cell C2, click on cell C2. Now here we type the formula equals to what you write B2, okay, plus plus sheet. What you write? Plus sheet. Sheet reference we are writing D2. D2. Okay. So from sheet 1, sheet only written, sheet 1 you write. What you write? Sheet 1. Sheet 1 D2. So see in the sheet 1 D2 which value is there? In the sheet 1 D2 cell. No value is there. The sheet 1 D2 no value is there. This is the D2. So you can put some value here. Suppose I am writing here 500. So see formula what I have written. B2 plus sheet1 D2. Okay, to add the incentive amount from the cell D2 of the sheet 1 to the cell in the cell B2 of the sheet, press the enter key. So what you will find here, as here it is the 15,000. So in B2, the value of B2, we add the value present in sheet 1 D2, that is 500. Both the sum you got here, you can see it very easily. Okay. Now suppose if I will change here, where if I will change the value on the place of, here I have written 500, I will make it 5000. See, automatically the value will also change in sheet 2. Yes, see here, automatically the value change now to become 20,000. So this is called the sheet reference. So with the help of this sheet reference, we can use in the formula the reference of one sheet to the on the other sheet also. Okay. So this is all for the today, students. The next class will continue our discussion about the formula errors and functions. So thank you for your kind attention.